everyone. We had a snowstorm, kind of. An almond blossom snowstorm. Isn't that beautiful? So Jason, what you working on today?
Trying to fix this irrigation, get it set up correctly.
What's wrong with this irrigation? Well, first tell everyone what we noticed last year.
So yeah, at the end of last year, for some reason, I would turn on the zone for this.
For the secret garden.
For the secret garden. And then also some of the stuff out there would run. And I couldn't figure out why. And then I realized if I turned on that zone, then the secret garden also ran. So at some point I interconnected the two accidentally.
So we finally figured out what was going on. At first we thought it was a problem with our ratio system.
Yeah, I thought that the wires were hooked up wrong or something.
It was glitching or something like that. And then we finally realized...
It took a while to figure it out because I had to like find where the lines were going and stuff, but I basically connected one zone to the other accidentally.
So
confused.
Human error.
Yes.
Not mechanical error.
No. Yeah. Machine's fine.
Machine's fine.
Computer's fine.
The drip's fine.
Yeah.
So basically we were digging around the other day trying to figure out what was going on here. And, oh, I see another pipe right there. You see that?
The white one?
The white one? Right here.
Oh, the white, I thought that's a whole other zone. I know
is that the orchard garden?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, did you disconnect this? You did, right?
That's dead. That line's dead right now.
This?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not connected on the other end either.
But it was.
It was. That was connected into this. This is the secret garden line here.
Yes. And so this was connected to here.
Yeah.
Right? And then is there another spot where the orchard garden is connected or no?
Oh, yeah. So like way down there. So I thought I was being smart because we rerouted things. This used to go all the way around the property and do the long border way over there. This little zone and did that also. But then anyways, we stopped that because there wasn't enough pressure over there. So I thought, oh, this is a small zone. I'll take this 1-inch line and run it that way and help get more pressure to the orchard garden. But in doing so, I accidentally hooked it with what was already there, and I cross.
So basically, every zone was connected to
not every zone, just two.
Two zones are connected. I'm trying to explain to everybody the mess that we're dealing with.
It's very confusing because I was confused. I could not figure out what had possibly gone wrong. And it took me forever to figure out what I did. And these lines are underground, so I got confused which one was which. Yeah. And then that's what happened.
Yeah. So basically, here's our manifold right here, and it's usually buried with mulch. But all the zones come out of this spot right here, and then they go to all the areas of the garden, and they all come under here and go out that way. That's just how they were set up. And to keep them straight is very confusing.
It can be difficult. Yeah.
It can be very confusing. Yeah.
So, yeah.
And it was wasting quite a bit of water and overwatering the orchard garden, right?
Well, because it was running
twice.
Yeah, but the problem was the stuff at the end of the line wasn't getting enough pressure.
Totally, because it was covering two zones, two hydro zones.
Yeah, some things were getting overwatered, and some wasn't getting enough water because there wasn't enough pressure on the end of the line.
Yeah.
And so the stuff at the beginning of the line was getting double watered. The stuff at the end wasn't getting watered, and so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You look really pretty with the Clematis armandii blooming behind you.
Oh, thank you.
You look gorgeous. Okay, so Jason's going to be working on drip irrigation. This shouldn't take too long, right?
No, this is easy. This is almost done. I mean, I've already fixed most of it. I just have to take this big 1-inch line away, and maybe I will use it for something later, but right now it's just going to go away.
Okay.
And then I just need to do a little minor thing here to reconnect. Doesn't matter. That's easy. And then there's just a bunch of little spots over the season that just need to be sort of fixed, and a couple plants you've planted that need to be hooked up, and just a lot of minor.
Those are the ones that we flagged.
We flagged all those.
Yeah. So you're going to be working on the flags.
Yes. I'm just going to go find all the flags and just fix the flags.
Perfect. And I will be here to mentally support you if you need it. I'm going to be working on decorating the back porch.
Oh, great.
Right, because it's just been blank, and eventually I'm going to be buying an outdoor couch for that, but not yet.
Okay.
Right? So I'll be right around the corner.
Okay.
And I'm telling you this because I might need your help to carry some things.
Okay.
Actually, right now I need your help to carry.
All right.
Please come with me. I need help moving this thing.
The table?
Yeah. Can you carry that yourself, or do you need help? You can do it yourself, right?
Yep.
You're strong. Right where we had it before.
Where do we have it? Oh, against the side wall.
Yeah.
Under the wood thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Perfect. Okay, now you can go back to irrigation.
All right, sounds good.
I won't bug you anymore. Thank you.
Welcome.
So my plan for the back porch for now is just to use pretty much 99% of things that I already have around the house and the yard, because I have a lot of stuff. So I'm sure I can decorate it to make it look cute. Like I said, eventually I do want to get a couch. Like I want that to kind of feel like an extension of our inside and make it feel really cozy and nice. But for now, I think I'm just going to use like rocking chairs, you know, things that we basically already have. The only thing I did purchase though is a new rug, which I love this rug. I am excited about this rug. I purchased another rug. Was it last year? It was the year before. Last year or the year before, I don't remember, but it was too small for the size of the deck. And I knew I needed a bigger rug. So I'm very happy with this one. I think it's going to be really pretty. So I actually made this table out of 2x4s years ago, probably like, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago, I would say. And I still love it. I mean, it's nothing special, it's nothing fancy, but it has done its job. I originally had this as a potting table for my greenhouse. And now I actually made 2 of them. I have one of them for my potting table back behind my office. And then this one I've just been using here to kind of put pretty stuff on. And I'm still going to use the rug that was here before, but I think I'm going to put it on the front porch. Just not yet, because we're still going to get some rain, and the front porch isn't protected like this area is. So pretty. I love this rug. So I actually got these rocking chairs as a Mother's Day gift a couple years ago, and I love them. And although they're not probably going to stay here forever, just because I want something a little bit more comfortable in this spot, at least we can really enjoy them. These normally go on the front porch because we like sitting here and drinking coffee and watching the sunrise. So that's their home. But for now, I think I'll leave them here. I'm pretty sure in one of these boxes I have outdoor pillows. Christmas lights, there it is. Pillows, and I'm pretty sure these are outdoor pillows. Yes. Oh, these look fall though. Oh, here we go. Cute and cute. That's fall. That's fall. Is this fall? Yeah, that's fall. I just noticed this box that says bagged fertilizers and amendments. Is there really fertilizer in here? There is. Oh no! I didn't even know that was in there. Well, I'm gonna have to go through this. There it is. Oh my gosh, this is so funny, you guys. I knew I bought a giant bag of plant food. I knew I did last year, and I was like, where did that go? I must have used it. It was right here. So much for being organized, right? Sometimes I kind of like decorating with just the things you have. It kind of forces you to stretch yourself a little bit and not just go with whatever's in the stores. Plus it saves you money and saves, you know, stuff being in the landfill. I mean, that's cute, right? That looks great. I love it. Okay, now I'm in the front garden. I'm helping Jason out. We're trying to find where there's a leak in here. Here in the long border, everything is just so messed up. Like you guys can see, some of it just like broke off. I'm not sure. I want to blame Monty, but I'm not going to blame Monty. I don't know. I honestly don't know what happened, but we have so many spots that just are not connected. So Jason is running it right now. This line is not connected to our ratio system. This line is connected to just a hose bib and a timer, and it has just been a constant problem for us. So this line's not even running at all.
That's not connected.
Oh, it's not connected.
This is the end of it, and look, here's where it broke at some point, right?
Yeah.
So.
Oh, that's the end.
That's the end, right? So it's over here somewhere, but I don't know where.
Where did it break off?
Yeah, that's the whole thing. I don't know. I was hoping we could hear it.
I hear something.
When I hear that over there.
Don't you just love our California snow? I love it. It's so pretty.
You hear them?
Where?
Skydivers.
The skydivers? Oh boy.
I hear them screaming.
I hear them too. I've told you guys this before. We have a skydiving company right in this little airport right across the street. And when we're out here working on a quiet day, you can hear them screaming like, woo!
It's really fun. It's one of my favorite things to listen to. I don't know.
Really?
It's just like people having fun. It's just so
yeah.
interesting.
Yeah. People are enjoying themselves. Yeah. You guys see? They look so tiny up there. And then some of them, I mean, they go so fast. I don't know if you can see that guy. That guy is dropping. So, did you see that guy?
No, I can't. I don't know which one.
You see over here.
Oh, yeah, I see.
He's dropping. They drop so fast, and it makes me think.
Jamie, watch. Here.
Yeah. Oh, no.
That's our spot that's split open.
Wait. Oh, no. Are you kidding?
Because that came detached, and we didn't know it. So this is what happens.
Oh, no. No wonder everything's all messed up. Oh, no. Oh, Jason. Oh, gosh.
It's okay. It's easy fix.
Sure.
That's not even the connection that's lost. That's just a...
Man.
It's okay. It's why you gotta do this stuff in the wintertime, right?
Yeah.
It's way easier to find this in the wintertime.
When there's not a lot of plants all over the place.
It's all planted up and we can't see it or get to it.
So this over here is why those plants haven't been getting any water, which is not good. Fixing drip irrigation is one of my least favorite things to do. Absolute least favorite things to do, but it's so important. Drip irrigation is not a set it and forget it. You can't just install it once and then not worry about it. Yes, it does help you out a lot in the garden, so you don't have to, you don't have to water every day, but it's still something that you have to pay attention to because things like this happen. You get leaks, you get disconnected areas, all that kind of stuff. And if you let it get out of hand, like Jason and I have let it get out of hand, it becomes a big issue that you have to fix.
It's just, I don't know, it's just hard. You can't keep, it's just hard to keep track of everything because like we would never know to look under there. I think that must have I bet you that got poked when we were trying to when the arch was over here.
Oh yeah.
And we were trying to you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you don't know exactly where that line is and we got unlucky and hit it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know?
I'm also really, really bad at, I just kind of let you take care of the irrigation and I just garden and then move on with my day.
It's just funny because we do it and we put mulch and compost, you know what I mean?
I know, it's our fault.
Should pull it up beforehand, huh?
It's my fault.
It is your fault.
I take all the blame.
How?
Because I just keep putting stuff on top of it.
Oh.
And keep adding to it and thinking, I'll deal with it later. It's later. That's right. So I think Jason and I are going to be out here for a couple hours working on this. Honestly, enjoying the weather. It's nice weather. It's supposed to rain tomorrow and the next day and the next day.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain a lot.
It's supposed to rain a lot the next week. So at least we're getting this stuff done.
Whoa.
What?
There's a bee. That was underground.
Oh, that's one of those digging bees. Oh, buddy.
Sorry, dude.
He woke you up.
That's crazy. Found a bee underground.
Oh, no.
Poor guy's not going to make it, huh?
No.
Is he okay?
I don't know. You just woke him up.
I certainly did.
What do you call a burrowing bee?
I have no idea. That is not what I expected to find when I was digging was a bee.
Oh, man. Do you have gloves on?
Yeah.
Can you pick him up and move him somewhere else?
Where?
I don't know. Somewhere where we're not going to be.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, poor thing. Like over there. You drop him?
Well, he flew away.
Oh, no. Okay, so I think Jason and I are going to be out here working for a couple hours, enjoying the weather. We're going to have rain all week, so it's nice to get out here and at least get some of this done. But, it's going to take us days, right?
No.
You don't think so?
This is the hardest part.
Okay.
The rest is easy stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
The back garden, I think, will be pretty easy.
The rest is easy. This is not that hard.
This is like troubleshooting.
Yeah, but there's you'll be done in a couple hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So apparently we're going to be done in a couple hours, but I'm going to let you guys go. I hope you all enjoyed this and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.